Free money! Who doesn't love free money? We all love free money. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how your inventory using Amazon's FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, sometimes goes missing through no fault of your own. Sometimes that goes missing. So Amazon actually will buy all that stock from you. So I'm going to show you how to make sure that if you have lost any stock, that you get that money back from Amazon right now. Now, if you like this kind of content, where I'm showing you different ways of building your own e-commerce business, whether that's Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or eBay, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And also to subscribe to my channel, because we post brand new content each and every day all about helping you make muchos cashola online. All right, let's get into it. Amazon has its own funds available for you if they make some mistakes with your products, and I've personally had this happen quite a lot. I think that most people don't realize that Amazon will reimburse you for a whole raft of different things. Specifically relative to this chat, it was some inventory that was checked into the warehouse. So Amazon had said, yeah, that's all your inventory has been checked in, and then it just kind of vanished and never ever showed up in my account. So that on the surface is a disaster, but actually turns out it was awesome, because what Amazon does in those situations is it will actually give you the full retail price for those products minus Amazon's fees. So whatever Amazon would normally charge you for shipping that product and for their own commission, they take that off, but then you get everything else. So very, very cool. So I thought it'd be kind of great to show you how to check that stuff out. So here we are in Seller Central, and then you want to come on over into this area here to inventory, and you just want to go to manage FBA shipments just down there. So that's the link that you'll want to click on, and then when you click on that link, this is where you'll end up. So this is all different shipments that's happened, and all you're doing is just looking here. So this is like once a week. It takes a minute to do. You just look at what units were expected in, aka when you did your shipping plan, what units did you say were arriving versus what units actually got received. Okay, so that is the difference. So notice here, so expected 48 and actually received 49. Expected was 72, actually received 71. So that one just there ought to get reimbursed. So just, I haven't checked, this is not my account, somebody else's account, but that ought to get, for that one unit, reimbursed by Amazon. Okay, so you just open a case, let them know what's going on, the shipment names, just get all that information from there, and from there you'll be able to say, hey, we actually checked in 72, but there's actually 71 in my stock, thus you, Amazon, you bastards, lost one of them. Which is kind of cool, because you'll get that back. There's lots and lots of things like that that are great to check. We ought to do a Q&A on all those things. But that's a very, very easy one for you to check. And as you're doing more and more, and as you get more and more shipments going in, that becomes more and more important to check. The other thing you can do is run an inventory report, which will give you that information plus a whole raft more. That's a great report to run as well, where you'll be able to tally and cross-check what's going on in your business as far as what stock you've got, where that stock is, if that stock is available to sell. Like right now, for instance, in Australia, heaps of people are finding that all of their stock that they've got in Amazon's warehouses actually isn't available to sell. What the hell's going on? Well, what Amazon's doing is it's moving the stock between warehouses. One of them's kind of closed because of COVID, so they're just moving that stock around into other places, okay? That sort of thing's all on that report as well. So well worth looking at to make sure you're actually getting everything you should be getting from Amazon, because we pay them a lot of money, yeah? That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session that I do with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest community, growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.